going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Catching Limits. Today we're on Jennings Creek in Botetourt County, Virginia to do a little trout fishing. This creek was stocked Thursday of last week. Today's Monday, and from what I heard, a lot of pressure, a lot of fish got caught. But this is the last week of fishing for the month, or for the year. Trout season ends on Saturday, I believe, and this is the last stocking that Jennings Creek will receive for the year. So I imagine they'll stock it pretty well. That's what I've heard so far, so hopefully the reports are correct. But we're gonna hop around a whole bunch of holes. We got plenty of time. The only part that sucks is the fact that it's raining cats and dogs, and I'm afraid that it's going to be raining like this for the rest of the day. So y'all bear with me. Hopefully the rain's not too bad and it lets up, or it stays kind of like this. This isn't too bad. So we'll see how we do. We hope you like the video. But it sure is coming down pretty hard. Oh, there's a fish. What is this? Holy cow, it's a little brookie, y'all. I wonder if that's a native. Just calm down. Oh. I think this is a native. That's pretty cool. I've never caught a native out of this creek. Well, no, that's a stalker. It's got jacked up fins. Come on. There we go. Oh, and he's so small he fit through the hole in my net. With this rain, I don't know where they're at. So we're gonna fish the whole place. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a nice brook. That is a nice brook. And I wasn't expecting him, so I don't have my net ready again. Come on, baby. There we go. Got the net unhooked. This is a nice fish. Beautiful brookie. Wow, good fight on him. And the colors are just unbelievable. Those colors are just unbelievable. I'm going to take a quick picture of that. See if we can keep the phone dry. Already getting wet. Yeah, that is a gorgeous fish. Absolutely gorgeous. And he inhaled that pink mini minnow. Let's see. Whew, yeah, he got it deep. Oh, hook's out. We're gonna give him the old flip. And there he goes. If y'all are crazy enough to fish in the rain, you can find some fish. Figured that was just a rock cut. I don't see any fish. I can't see any fish. So much. Oh, yeah. Holy crap. Brown right here. Brown right here under me. Holy smokes. Let's land him. Oh, come on, baby. In the net. That is a awesome brown, and unfortunately, I'm afraid he may have swallowed it. So we're gonna have to, we might have to keep this one. Yeah, he got it deep. Oh, came right out. Perfect. And there he goes. Back in the water. This is about the most miserable conditions you can fish in, y'all. I mean, this is worse than, oh yeah, first cast, big old rainbow, first cast. Hopefully he doesn't come off. I set the hook on him pretty good, I think. Big old rainbow. He'll complete my Virginia Slam. It's a nice fish, y'all. That's a real nice fish. If I was keeping, I'd keep him. but we are here to have fun, and having fun we are doing. Oh. Whew. He's got it deep again. Hopefully we can get it out. We're gonna have to hold him. Easy, easy. We're gonna have to hope that he didn't get it too deep. Oh, good. Came right on out. Nice and easy. And there he goes. I think there's more fish in here. That's just my opinion. Honestly, I'd be surprised if there weren't more fish, considering on the first cast I caught one. Oh, yeah. There we go. What do we got here? Another brookie. Nope, another rainbow. Was not expecting that. I was reeling up and I felt some pressure. And no, this is not the same fish that I just hung just a second ago. I don't think. No, this is a different fish. But another nice one. That is a real nice one, actually, y'all. There we go. He is unhooked. Let's try to get a real quick picture of him. Trying to keep my phone dry. Whoop. Awesome fish. Get the phone back in the pocket. And he is gonna go back to swim again. Pretty hole. Caught one trout out of it in the past. Huge hole. So, what we're gonna do is start off using a pink mini minnow. Retire the black. Y'all, we still have a we've only stopped at 4 holes, and so far every single hole that we've stopped at we've caught a fish out of. Oh yeah, there we go. There's a rainbow. Really didn't set the hook on him very well, so I don't know how well he's hooked. Pretty fish right here, y'all. Pretty fish. Come here, buddy. Y'all, this is number 6. This is my limit. But we're just out here having fun. Just having fun. Yep. There we go. Y'all, that's another pretty one. I've got a little break in the rain. I'm gonna try to take a picture. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. You know, this weather we're having, it's not beautiful. This weather is actually rather nasty. But these fish don't mind. Oh, well, there's my mini minnow. See if we can get that. There we go. And, oh, there he goes. He's back in the water. Tell you what, we've hung 9 fish. 9 different fish we've hung. We've only caught 6. That's not real bad. Whoa. That is not bad ratio at all. Give it another toss up that way. See what else is in here. Oh, another rainbow, y'all. Very next cast. Gorgeous fish. Oh, we're about to go in. We're just gonna flip this one. He's not as big as the others. Another nice fish. Look at that. Hopefully this one doesn't tear up our mini. Dang it. Man, he tore that thing all up. All right, let's get him back in the water. Booyah, there he goes. That's all right. We're just picking 1 or 2 out of every hole. I mean, we've stopped at 5 holes now. We've caught 2. When you're fishing for leftovers, that's what you got to do. Oh yeah, there's another one. Oh, he got off. Dang. That's 10th hooked. Man, that sucks. That's okay though. We're releasing anyway, so that was just a quick release. That's all it was. Here we go. That's a brownie. That's gonna make 2 VA slams today, as we caught 2 brooks to begin with. I think it's a brown. Sure is fighting like one. Oh, ho, ho, ho. No, 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 no. This is another brook. A good fighting brook. Oh, 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 oh. Come here. Yeah, there he is. There he is. Let's get off these logs. I hate standing on these logs. Man, y'all, this hole is loaded with fish. Gorgeous brook. Nice. We're going to get a nice little release on him. There he goes. That's number 8 caught. It's the 11th fish hung. Oh, that's a big hit. That's a real nice hit right there. Whew. That's a nice fish. Once again on that zombie. Mini minnow. There's really nowhere good to stand right here. Just net him. There he is. It is a lot of fun. Even though it's 5 days after stocking, and I'm sure everybody and their brother has fished, we are still catching trout. I think this is number 9, the 12th hung. Oh, hey, he did my job for me. Self-released him. There he goes. Let's give a yoink cast over there. Oh yeah, there we go. Felt him. Another nice rainbow. We sure are loaded in this hole. It's like number 5 on that zombie mini minnow. There we go. Oh, and he kicked the hook just like that. That's perfect. Real quick picture. And that's number 10 caught, I believe. We'll make one more cast and then we're gonna move on. We are going to catch as many fish today as we can. That is the mission. I think we've caught all the fish out of this hole that we are going to catch. Get a cast up underneath that limb. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, brookie right there. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. That's the 4th brook that I've caught today. I think he's already unhooked. So that makes my job easy. To just really, oh, it's kind of shallow right here. There he goes. There he is. Back in the water he goes. Got one trout slam. See if we can make it another. Oh, yep. Oh, dang it. It's a rainbow. I say dang it. That's funny. Okay. We can come up here and I'll land you. That is a good idea, actually. That is a great idea. That makes two limits right there, y'all. That's number 12. Calm down, I'll get to catch you. There we go. Go ahead. There he goes. Oh, there he is. Are you serious? I think I just had a nice brook come out for it. Oh, yep, right there. There he is. Heck yeah. That's that creek grub. Oh, too far. Too far. Too far. There he is. Oh, golly, y'all. This is incredible. This is probably one of the best days I've ever had trout fishing. Sure wish Hannah was here with me. It's always fun to share it with your sidekick. Calm down, dude. There we go. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Nope, wrong way. Come on, buddy. Come on. There you go. Attaboy. Got him. There's one. Nice little brookie. On that pink creek grub. Heck yeah, y'all. Just chucked it up to that tree and jigged it around a little bit. Nice brook. Real nice fish. Come here, buddy. There we go. That's number 15 landed. Such a pretty fish. 15? Yeah, 15. There we go. And he's back in the water. Well, y'all, I think that's gonna do it for us today. We managed 15 out of this little creek here. This is Jennings Creek. 15 is not something to shake an eye at, but we did hang like 20 fish. So had a lot of fun. I mean, man, I'll tell you what, this was probably one of the better trips I've had all year. Even though it's raining and nasty and miserable out, it was still a lot of fun. Wish Hannah had been able to be with me, but you know, sometimes you can't always have your loved ones be there with you. But found a bunch of fish, y'all. I mean, it was just every hole that we got to, it had a bunch of fish in it. I'm very happy, very surprised, considering that this creek was stocked 5 days ago. Normally, you don't find this many fish in a creek that has been stocked, or has not been stocked in several days. But nonetheless, very happy with our outcome. Fishing with NRV baits, y'all, it's just, you can't get any better than that. We schooled the fish today. It was insane. So if you liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.